Why you should marry a divorced woman. So check this out. A divorced woman, especially one that is going up in age in her 30s, listen, she is loyal to one thing and one thing only, the dollar. They can say all the stuff they want. No, it's not all about the money. Child, please. Money, the Bible says money solves all problems. On this earth, money will solve all problems. Right? So I don't care what she says. Look, if you got money, she got a little attitude, just give her a little Birkin bag, give her a Chanel purse, trust me. She ain't angry no more. Right? If you got money, send her ass on a vacation, right? With her little child. Well, she ain't angry no more all of a sudden. Yeah, imagine that. Right? If you got money, buy her a little ring, right? A diamond ring, right? Diamond earrings, pearl necklace, right? All of a sudden she ain't mad no more. You got money, pay them bills on time, right? Make sure the house is paid for. All of a sudden she look at you different, right? So listen, if you know that you're not a guy that's making high six figures and above, check this out. You run a big risk of her leaving your ass because she is loyal to the dollar. You feel me? Guys, I'm telling you, right? I was a six-figure earner, multiple six-figure earner, right? When COVID destroyed my business, thank God I am back full force, multi-millionaire now. Trust me, God showed me the way that, nah, you're not going to build with this one because once you get to where you're going, she's going to take it.